I picked up a couple of new items from her recent drop, as well as a few other items that I had on my wish list. Let's go ahead, open this up, and look at this beautiful card. I love that. This is a thank you card. Hello, new planner friend. And then there's a little note here from Jane. But I love this, and it is a matte finish. That is so, so pretty. All right, we've got Jane's tissue paper here. If this is the first time that you are stopping by my channel, welcome. I'm Tina. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot that there was a little freebie that came with this order. She did a product drop, and I think it was the first so many orders, or honestly, I don't remember what the stipulations were, but this is so cute. A little paper clip assortment in this really cute little pouch. I love these little pouches, by the way. It's got on there Jane's agenda, and look at the cute little paper clips I got. Actually, I probably have all of these already because I have been with like shopping Jane. I get her subscription boxes every month since they came out. But I love these. These are super cute. Super cute. It's always good to have like extra really cute paper clips. So thank you so much for that little freebie. Love that. All right, I'm going to unwrap it and we're going to go through it in detail. So Jane's releases included items that were previously seen in subscription boxes and some brand new items altogether. So I did pick up two brand new items that she just put in the shop. So this one is the vintage record player. Love this dashboard. Her dashboards are double-sided, so you get the same picture on the other side there. And then this one right here, vintage camera. Love, love, love these. All right, loving the vintage look. But I do want to show you two of the vellums that were released. I actually got them in a previous subscription box. So this one is Hold On to Your Vision. This is so beautiful. I love the white print on the white, and look at how beautiful it layers over the camera. I really, really, really like that look. And then there's also this look right here. Really beautiful. So obviously this can be put over either one of these, and that is one of the beautiful things about a Jane's Agendas item. She creates all these beautiful dashboards and these vellum pieces and then covers, and everything just layers so beautifully together. Now, I am an affiliate of Jane, so if you do decide to purchase anything, I do have my affiliate link down below, and I greatly appreciate if you are doing any shopping, if you use that. And thank you so much to those of you that have already used it. I know many of you have, and I am so grateful to you for that. It really does help me out. It helps me to be able to do what I do here and share items with you, and I absolutely love being able to do that. I do have another item that was released. I don't actually have the vellum, but this was released in a cover. This Amour, it doesn't have this like little detailing. It just has the Amour, and that was just released just in a vellum style, the way that this one is. But I did want to share it with you in case you were interested in that. And there's so much more that was also released that I have, just in my own planners. So if there's items that you ever see that are from my subscription unboxings or my planner setups, items that come from my subscriptions, and you've had your eye on them, be sure to check Jane out and see if any of those items have recently been released, because she definitely released quite a few things. All right, this I'm going to put to the side. Now, the next two items are not new to the shop, but I was holding out getting them, not because I didn't want them, just because, of course, like everybody else, trying to watch what I spend and where I'm spending it. But I'm so excited about these. All right, I caved and I got the chocolate discs. Super, super excited. I actually need something here to cut this open, and just looking at the color through this box, I'm like, why didn't I get these before? But again, it's because I was trying to be cost conscious. All right, let's look at these beautiful. These are 2-inch chocolate discs, and let's see if we can get like a really cool ASMR with this. Let's give it a shot, because sometimes it's really fun. All right, well, I almost got it, but they did get hung up here, which is fine. Let's pull the rest of these just out. Oh, these are really, what's going on? Why won't you come up? Give it up. Give it up. There's one more. Now her sets do come in a set of 9, which is this one really this one really doesn't want to come out, does it? Okay, let's see here. Wow, that one was hanging on for dear life. These are beautiful. I knew that they would be because they have these custom made and they're so pretty. They are so pretty. And there's also like other sizes. I'm not sure if these are available in anything smaller because she does also offer 1.25-inch discs and the 2-inch discs, but not sure if the 1.25 is still available. And honestly, I don't even know if these are still available. I will go ahead and link them down below though. And if you want to pick them up, then you will have the link there. But yeah, super excited about these. Oh my goodness. All right, that last thing I have to share with you. I got the shell wrap. Let's open it up. All right, so it does come in a nice plastic protective bag just to keep it safe from any elements. And then it does come in this really cute little dust bag here. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Oh my goodness. And look at how pretty that's going to look with those chocolate discs. So pretty. I am really excited. I am loving this look. It's so elegant. All right, so this is a super soft pebble grain vegan leather, and it is the shell color. Let's just stop and like ogle that, and oh, it feels so nice. I love the pebble grain vegan leather that she has. I have a couple. Yeah, I have 2 others in this material because she also offers a Saffiano vegan leather, which is definitely has a different texture to it. It's still just as beautiful, but this one is like ultra soft. I love this. Now, this particular material is only available to fit around a 2-inch disc. Her other wraps, those you can choose the different like sizes that they would fit around. Like if you have smaller discs on your planner or journal or notebook, then you have an option to choose a smaller wrap. So this one is just for like a 2-inch. You could use it on a planner with smaller discs, but I wouldn't put it on anything that's going to be like smaller than like 1.5-inch size discs. But you know, you're going to have some play in there. All right, let's open it up. We've got this beautiful magnetic snap hardware here. It is like a gunmetal color. And we've got all of the nice packing in here. All right, I had to adjust a few things because it kept like hitting the discs, and that was going to be very uncomfortable to hear. Okay, this is so pretty. I'm so happy that I got this color. I think when this color first came out, I was really happy like with what I was using. And I thought I'm going to put like a pin on this one. I'll put it on my wish list because honestly, like anything that she releases, I am all about like, yeah, I want it all, you know, because it's all so beautiful. But I figure, well, I'll just wait a little bit, you know, because there were some other things that I wanted before I wanted this. And I'm so happy that it was still available. So I picked this up. It's perfect going into the springtime. Now her wraps do have these angular pockets here. So you could put like cards in here that fit in here just like beautifully. And look at how pretty that looks in there. There's also a pocket in the front here. And then this back pocket here is where you would slide in your back cover. And that's how the planner fits into this wrap. There are 2 elasticized pen loops. And then there is a debossed logo. And I love that it's over here. It's nowhere prominent on the actual planner cover itself. So you're not advertising anybody. I'm like really particular about certain things, but I mean, I don't mind advertising Jane when I walk around because I use her tote bags everywhere and it says Jane's Agenda right on there, but she has the best tote bags. But anyway, I'm digressing from what we're looking at right now, but I just wanted to point that out. This is so pretty. I am super excited. This is gonna look really, really pretty in there. It's like I really like that contrast of that. And then just like some of these new items, like that camera. Hold on to your vision. And then of course, this one is so pretty with the record player. So this is everything that I picked up, and I'm so excited because we're going to be getting this amazing subscription box for April. If you have been following me for a while, you probably have maybe already seen what we got for March and my setup, but we as a community and Jane's Agenda subscribers, we have already seen like sneaks, and she just did a sneak for like the general public, and you have to go and see it. So I'm going to link Jane's YouTube channel down below. That way you can go ahead and check her out because you are going to want that subscription box. And I really think that this cover and these discs are going to go beautifully with that. So I wanted to lighten up my planner aesthetic a little bit on the outside. So decided to get the shell cover, and I'm really, really happy that I did. So you're kind of seeing where my April planner is going to end up going. And it's going to be so much fun. All right. Well, that is everything I have to share with you today. Not too much stuff, but just enough. And it's super, super exciting. Now, as I said before, I am an affiliate. If you do decide to purchase anything, greatly appreciate if you use my link. It's down below in the description. There is a code there for you. Use the code, save some money. And yes, make sure that you always try to save some money there. And if you are already shopping from Jane's Agenda, then be sure to use your rewards. You have like perks rewards. So if you have any questions about where to find those, please drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. But I just wanted to throw that out as a reminder for you. Remember to use your perks rewards. And if you like this video, please be sure to do all of the things that YouTube loves. If you could like it, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The subscribing and the notification really helps you out because then you don't miss any of my videos. And if you watch this video all the way through till the end, then drop me a music note emoji down in the comments. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.